Hi dear students, hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to study the last chapter. Even though it is not the last chapter, we are winding up our this academic session by this chapter, and the name of the chapter is Expert Detectives. So I do believe that throughout this session you had bared us all through it, and you enjoyed the chapter, enjoyed the sessions and everything. And if the exams are coming on December 15th, and if you confront any sort of doubt regarding the chapter, go through the video again and again. And if still doubts are there, please let us know about it. So, let us get into the chapter. Expert Detective. There are two children. One's name is Nishad, who is also known as Seven. He's a 7-year-old boy, and his name denotes the seventh note in music. And his sister Maya, he is 10 years old. So they are almost a secret detectives. So what they was doing was that they were enjoying their summer holidays, and at that time they got to realize that there is a crooked man in their neighborhood, and that man name is Mr. Nav. The man is really lean. He is having a bad beard. He doesn't shave his beard. He doesn't trim his beard. He doesn't wear good dress, and he doesn't have good friends at all in the whole building and all the area. So they are really doubtful. So what type of man that is? And also he had a scar in his face. So they were talking in between about that man, Mr. Nag. So they tried to find more and more details about Mr. Nag. So she said that, Maya said that, I think that man is a jail escaped person and he will be a crooked criminal. But Nisha said that, no, there is no such chance. Even though he's a thin man, he's almost a thin man who doesn't have money with him, who can't even afford to eat there. But she said that, no, 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 no. He must be having a huge amount of money which is engulfed in his room. If we get into the room, we'll be able to see that. Once, when they were playing the marbles, they got to see him. They saw him, and that's the reason why they have made such a curiosity in their mind. Then realize that there is such a man who is not friend to anyone in that area. So he's a crooked man. He's a criminal man. He's a bad man. But Maya, on the contrary, Nishad on the contrary, think that he's not a madman. He may be a poor man. He doesn't have much money with him. He doesn't eat with him. So they went on making more and more investigation about that man, and they talked to the near man, another man named as Ramesh. Ramesh was a shopkeeper, considered shopkeeper. He delivers daily food to Mr. Nag. He will eat only 2 meals a day in the morning, and he will be only having a coffee, a cup of tea in the morning and afternoon. That's all he had. So Nishal said that, my dear sister, why do you think that he is a crooked criminal? Because he is not able to eat well. If he is a criminal, he will be eating well. She found out many new points about this man. So what Maya did was, she went on inquiring about this man and found out 9 facts about this Mr. Nag. So he is residing in the house of Mr. Shankar for almost an year, and still he doesn't have any friends at all in this locality. So she said that there is such a crooked thing there. He has got a mark in his face, a scar in his face. It might be made because of a gunfire, or his house might have got into fire by the police to kill him or catch him. And also he had, every Sunday he will be buying two lunch to he will be sharing with a man there who doesn't know anything at all. They all know nothing about that man. So what, she made 9 facts about our Mr. Nag, but Nishad was really angry by hearing all these things. My dear sister, what are you saying even? Because he is a poor man, he is a lean man, he don't even have food with him. One day, it was his and her, Nishad's and Maya's mother's birthday. So they went to, Nishad went along with his mother's clinic, and Maya stood there in his home. he got the chance to meet Mr. Nal, and he was really happy because he is a normal person. His attire just deceives them. His appearances just deceives them. Yeah. So he went to the home and said that, and at that day that was the day to reopen the school, but there was huge heavy rain at that time. The whole city was flooded with water, with rain. So even a small vehicle was not able to move. So they stood there in a home and they got into an argument about that. She said that no, he is a crooked man, he is a criminal. But he said that don't believe in this attire, don't believe in his looks. I talked with him, I spoke with him, he's a good man, he's a normal man, he's a good man. And he also said one more thing. Do you remember a Hyderabadi man who had done a crime here? He just looks like a normal man. So don't believe in this attire, don't believe in his presentation, don't believe in his appearance. Believe what he is. He doesn't want friend because nobody is speaking to him. But they went on to have a quarrel between them. It was almost at the verge of hitting each other. But what Nishant did was he just walked and went away. He said that man is a poor man, a good man who doesn't have a good company at all. He doesn't wear a good dress or don't have any good appearances. But he is a good man. But on the contrary, what Maya thought that was, even though after that quarrel between them, when Maya was speaking about all these things, Maya was making him a huge criminal. But he was not like that, Nishad said. The story ends there by saying a quarrel between them while Nishad go away. So, do you think that man is a criminal? And what do you think about this expert detectives? So, thank you all for watching the video, bearing us throughout this session. And I'm again saying that if you are confronting any sort of doubt, please feel free to ask. And one more important thing, if you are writing your examination, please keep in mind that you will not be asked to write a huge sentence. You will just be asked to write a single word. Suppose I am asking you dash type of nouns, names any person, place or thing. Of course, it is common noun. So if underlined is dash noun names any person, you just need to write common. If you write common noun there, you will be losing your marks. Read the question really well and answer. So thank you all for bearing us. Thank you all. Love you all.